Hi guys, what to do in a case when you have 4 kids and no place to sleep? I think I have a solution. Build the bed out of this. Well, anyways guys, for this project you're gonna need one 4x8 sheet of OSB, cut it down to 90 inches long, and then cut it down to half, and that's what you see here. For my bed I decided to use some supports. 2x4s or 2x6 will work. I chose 2x6. These 2x6s are exactly 48 inches long, which is perfect. Price, I think hotel would be a better option. As you can see, it is completely dark outside, and I cannot unload my load right now due to the fact that it's taking up all the space. Let me show you. I got the skids all the way back here, all the way to the back. There's my bed, that's what I normally sleep on, and there's my mattress. I know I could get to that, but obviously I cannot lay my mattress on top of these skids because they don't have those plastic covers. Now if they did, I could have just stuck my mattress on top of that. So I had to come up with a solution. Obviously the choices that I had was to get a hotel room, but right now it's like it's 8 p.m. and I have to deliver at 6 o'clock in the morning, which is like you're not really paying for the full stay. So I was considering that, and it is Michigan and it is 32 degrees right now outside. So then I kind of figured, you know, this is not a one-time deal. I mean, this happens quite often and I don't want to sleep in the front seats. So let me quickly put the bed together and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. These particular skids are 45 inches this way, 48 inches that way. As you can see, I picked up these 2x6s, which perfectly go to the back because, you know, these are 48 and this is 48. With this type of thickness, it works well. My idea is no nails necessary. Spread them around, put one towards the back, put one kind of like towards the middle, put another one and put another one. So 4, it's gonna do good. So right now I put them all kind of like together because I want to climb over there, unhook my strap, get my mattress out and get ready. The hardest part is done. I got all the 2x6s laid in the right place, the mattress is out. Time for the boards. Noticing, what the heck, short boards. But I done this for a reason. First of all, I cut off 6 inches from it because only 90 inches would work for the length. Then I cut these down the center, so they were initially 48 inches, now they're 24 inches. This is a 1/2 inch type, so what I'm gonna do is, for handling purposes, I cut it down. It should be pretty easy to lay. One board is in, but gosh, isn't it a good thing that I cut them down at this size? I tried to stick it in here at an angle, it would not fit, so I had to kind of like slide it up over here on top of my box here and then kind of like nicely over, because I cut it exact dimensions as 90 inches. I mean, I do get some play within my seats because I could slide them back and forth and stuff, but man, what a close. Now my bed is complete. It is safely away from the skids. It is enough, you know, to distribute all my weight, which is 203 pounds of healthy man. Mattress is in. A couple choices. Could sleep a little closer, or I could sleep towards over there. That's actually where I'm gonna put my head. So I could actually put my heat over here, which I won't. Have it, folks. A bed perfectly inside a life of an Expediter. This is the glorious life we have to live. Guys, you might be wondering, what is that thing hanging always when I'm driving? It is actually a sheet, an extra bed sheet, same thing as this, hanging over here. But that's not what I try to talk to you about. You could do anything, guys. If you're trying to, you know, block a wall, I'm using neodymium magnets, and basically if I just remove them, you know, they're not easy to remove. But if I jerk on it on something and it happens to fly off, see, it tends to just go in place over there. So I could simply pick it up. It's not that simple to pick them up. They're neodymium magnets after all. But for those of you that's doing van life, I think this is pretty useful information, because if you're trying to put something over your windows, all over the van, maybe you have windows everywhere, something like a sheet would work, and some magnets. That's it. You don't have to need to buy any poles or anything. I mean, it's a money saver, and after all, you could always remove it. No holes, no drilling. Anyway, no guys, I want to mention something else. You see this price tag? It's probably flipped over. $19 for the first 75 minutes. See it right there. Guys, this is a great idea. There was actually a van standing over here. Now it's gone. Surprisingly, by the time I was in the store and I came out, it is gone. Well, anyways, guys, I decided to reward myself for Christmas and decided to stop by at Best Buy and check out these Bose headphones. These are 35 Series 2, and look at them. They feel really nice. Elton car here, or whatever it is. It is very soft and comfy. So I'm gonna try to try these on. Man, these are kind of nice, and they happen to be on sale right now. They're like $300 instead of $350. I know on the expensive side, but after all, 20 hours battery life, Bluetooth, supposed to be very clear sound quality, and I much rather buy one of these than like Blue Parrot. Let me know, guys, if you have this or you're using Blue Parrot as something like you're driving. Man, the sound is definitely pretty good. Look at this, guys, limited edition Midnight Blacks, or Double Midnight, whatever it's called. And look at the black. Which one would you choose? I think I'm gonna go with the limited edition. Time to take these to the register.
My name is Serge ZIMALETA. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter, Expediter business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.